Iran claims that oil could reach $200 per barrel as the war persists. Ma'am, if this happens, ano pong nakalatag na proactive plan ng government? And ma'am, second, sabi niyo po, hindi tayo mauubusan ng supply ng April. Ma'am, what's driving the optimism? Thank you.
Our inventory, we have naman. We closely monitor oil companies, even our generation companies that are using diesel. In fact, some of them have 2 months supply pa nga even longer. So we have several measures. Is it true that it will reach 200? I don't know. Anong sabi mo, Sandy? Only God knows. Alright. If it reaches 200, it's 200, no? That means fuel will be more expensive. That means you have to plan your fuel consumption. Expensive, kung mahal yung diesel, di dapat i-control natin yung expense natin sa fuel. What is more important is we do have fuel, enough for everyone, and we do. What are we planning to do? First of all, we are trying to secure our electricity. Kailangan may power tayo. Because although 3% lang yung diesel sa ating power, it still has an impact. It has an impact on the price. So we are all working, all the agencies of DOE, as well as all our bureaus are working to find ways to make sure na hindi katugma ng increase sa diesel yung pag-increase sa electricity. And we're planning that out already. Meron na kaming design on how to do that as a temporary measure para hindi po affected, especially Meralco franchise area. So we're working on that. On the other hand, what's the impact on the price on fuel? Our role here is to make sure that we have enough fuel and monitor the oil companies that there's no abuse. So continuous po yan. And then the supply, we have tasked all the oil companies to ensure that all their contracts are still being followed by their suppliers. PNOC is tasked to find alternative suppliers, yung hindi pinupuntahan ng ating mga oil companies. So we have control on the supply, we have control on the power. The price is not really something that the Philippines, even the government, can control because we are so dependent on importation.